Okay, student. So, have you seen the energy level of Zarina? See, like there is a very less age difference, only 1 year. She is in 11th, you are in 10th. But she how she can convey her experience, her message, her ideas, her stories, her word. Excellent. Beyond my expectation. Thank you very much, Zarina. God bless you always. May your all dreams come success in future. Thank you, bacha. Okay, now come to geometry. Question number two, because first question number we have completed A and B yesterday in previous lecture. Uh, ABC triangle is given. AP is perpendicular to AC. CQ is perpendicular on AB. We have to prove APC is similar to triangle AQC. So you can make separate that in this triangle and this triangle, this is common. Y is in both and 90-90 also in both. So by AA test, both the triangles are similar, not congruent. So similarity test, AA is a similarity test, not the congruent test. Next, this is I think printing mistake. It should be 41. So cot is given. Cot means adjacent by opposite. So BC by AB, BC is to AB is equal to 41 is to 9. 41, so let the common multiple be x. So 41x, 9x. So 9x square, 41 square. So square of 41, that is 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1, 8, 4 fours are 16, so 1681. So this is 1681 plus this 81. Cot it is given, cot. Still something is wrong in that. It is 40, sorry. It is printing mistake in the question paper. So this is 1681 x square is equal to AC. So this is AC is equal to 41 x. So now opposite for this opposite is 9. For this hypotenuse is 41. Hypotenuse 41. Opposite, that is 9. In that it is given 49, but in the question paper there is some error. No problem. So 40 and 9, 40 and 9. So 9, 40, 41. It is a triplet. So by Pythagoras we will get 41. But in multiple of x we have to take, because this one is not the length, it is a ratio. So common multiple always you have to consider. The next one is a construction. Draw a circle of 2.2 centimeter with O as a center. With O as a center, 2.2. Step number 2 they have given, take a point P on a circle and draw ray OP. This is O. So no need to take the point. Automatically intersection it is P. Third step they have given, draw a perpendicular line to the ray at point P. So from P less than radii, cut both the side. From here 1, from here 2. Now more than radii from both the side, new points, new arc, new intersection, up, down. From here up, down. Now you can join this. With apparatus, when you will do no, it will be accurate. So this is perpendicular. This you can say AB, PQR, and this is 2.2 centimeter. Alphabet and measurement should not touch to the diagram. It should be clean. First attempt, don't repeat, don't use eraser. In quadrilateral, one opposite pair is parallel. Second opposite pair we have to prove congruent. What is the idea behind this? EF, GH, it is given. EF parallel GH given. To prove that EG congruent FH. Stepwise, very clearly. Sorry. In quadrilateral, GFH, EFHG. EF parallel GH. EF parallel GH. It is given. This is the construction. Join EH. Construction. Given. Now, if this is parallel, so these and these are equal. Z shape. So, angle F E H congruent angle EHG alternate angle. Fifth, if inscribed angle are congruent, arcs are congruent. Therefore, arc FH congruent arc EG. Inscribe angle congruent, therefore respective arcs are congruent. There are four pair. Chords are congruent, so arcs are congruent, so inscribe angle are congruent, so the central angle are congruent. If from this four pair any one pair is given congruent, rest of three pair are congruent. So arcs are congruent, so chords are congruent. If arcs are congruent, then respective chord, hence it is proved. they can ask reverse. If these two are congruent, then these arcs are also congruent. Then draw this. Chords are congruent, arcs are congruent. Arcs are congruent, inscribe angle are congruent. Correct? So, inscribe angle are congruent. So, it is Z. So, converse of alternate test, that is Z, means that two sides are parallel. If these two are parallel, then these two are congruent. If these two are congruent, these are parallel. Full on reversible proof you can write. This done, this done, this done. Slope is not there. Major arc also not there. To find the distance. It is 1, 2, 3. This is 1 minus 1 minus 2. And this is 1, 2. This much only we need. The point is here. Here. That is C point minus 2, 2. Point is here. B, 2 and 2. Now upside only 1. Now A point, that is 2, 3. We have to find out. Some steps are given. Steps are given. Measure angle B is equal to how much? So you will write 90. Then they have given AB square plus BC square is what? So that is AC square. Then AB is how much? A to B from 2 to 3. So that is 1 only. Then they have asked BC is how much? From this point to this point, means from this point to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? That is 4. So 1 square, 4 square is equal to AC square. Correct? Up to 2, up to 2. So 4, up to, correct. 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16 is equal to AC square. So 17 is equal to AC square. So AC is equal to again I want to explain. This is minus 2 and 2. This is 2 and 2. 2 and 3. So from minus 2 to 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points means 2 minus minus 2. Minus minus 2 means 2 plus 2 means this much distance is 4. Now from 2 to 3 height. While measuring height, we have to compare y coordinate. While measuring base, we have to compare x coordinate. And here it is 0. From 0, 2 side, from 0, 2 side. So 2 plus 2, 4. And 2 to 3 means only 1. So 1 and 4. So this will be root 17. 4 for the 16 plus 1. So you will get 17. Next one, it is very mark, it is very important. Question number 3b, second and third, both very important. Let me rub this. Student, get the inspiration from this student and be ready for next year that you can come. So for that you need good result. Then definitely I'll invite for next batch motivation. Very important. Question 3-1. Question 3b2. Sorry. So quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Measure angle R is equal to 5x minus 13. Measure angle N, it is 4x plus 4. Find R and end both the angles. Answer: quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Therefore, measure angle R plus measure angle N is equal to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic are supplementary. Supplementary means total 180. Complementary means total 90. So what is R? 5x plus 3 plus 4x plus 4. So this 8x. 13 minus 4, that is minus 9. 4, 5 plus 4, 9. See, sometime that's a mistake. Here two method. You can jump 9 also or divide all by 9. So x minus 1 is equal to 20. 9 20s are 180. 29s are 180. This comes this side. Therefore, measure angle R 5x minus 13 measure angle N 4x plus 4 421 521s of any number when you want to multiply by 5 put a 0, make it half, put a 0. 21 we want to multiply by 5, put a 0. 210 half 1105. 105 minus 13 means 100 minus 8 means 92. 84 plus 4, it is 88. Is it 180? Yes, so that we have used that sum of two angles are 180. This one is very important. Next one also, it is very important. Construction, it is construction. Question 2, 3B3. Triangle AHT, similar triangle AHE. You can note A is a common. When single alphabet is common, AM is 6.3 centimeter. Angle TAM AT AM by AH 7/5. Construct AHE. First, A is common. So which one is common? That always left hand side, bottom. And AM is given.
Sir, less than 1 minute.
Okay. AM 6.3. Then A angle, that is 50. Then A to T 5.